All right, friends, here we are. This is part 2 of our trailer sealing and seal coating on top of the roof. We have already put the edge seal around. We'll look at that in a minute. All the way got it cleaned up in part 1. Now we're about to clean the roof so that we can put the rubber roof coating over the top. Need a nice old brush, some good cleaner of your choice, and a scissor lift again. Makes it so much nicer. Let's get out there and try it.
Alright, so we started scrubbing, and that was like 15 minutes of scrubbing. It just seemed like way too much work. So we're going to try a different method in a few minutes, see about coating it more with the spray, and then going from there. We'll give you an update.
Wow, that is dirty. Okay, good enough for now. That's a lot of work.
I tried peer pressure washing it off, but that just seemed like too much work again. We're going to try different methods later.
Oops.
Alright, Dad. What's the plan of attack?
Huh?
What's your plan of attack?
The plan of attack is now we have the edges sealed, as you can see. Looks pretty good. Dry. We are going to clean that with roof cleaner, spray on. I'll let this spray this on, let it soak for a few minutes, and then we're going to scrub, come back, and pressure wash.
So a combination of all three efforts.
All three, because this looks like some nasty stuff on here. It says to do a small area at a time. We're going to do a rather large area at a time. And it runs everywhere. And as we saw before, this doesn't work quite near as good as was hoping. So this scrubbing is like scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. Okay, you can scrub the air conditioner. Okay. More than that. Obviously you can do this from a ladder or your scissor lift. Let it dry. Tomorrow we'll seal it.
Okay.
Or coat it, seal it, whatever you want to call it. We're going to make it white.
Alright, so yesterday my dad finished most of it. We just have a little bit left and then we'll be all done. I'll show you that now. Alright, you can tell that we're all finished. The lighting is not the greatest, but we're all finished with it, putting the last touches, and then we're going to be all done. We'll catch you in the next video.
On Amazon, there's just way too many choices.
All I want to know is if you would like to go for a gator ride into the sunset tonight.
Alright.